Welcome to all of you from the Fiddler in the kitchen. I am Yeşim. In this channel, I will be sharing my cooking, high-end home and garden decor, tablescaping, my violin playing, and days in the life vlogs. I love my cozy home that smells beautiful food and pastries all the time. Sharing these with you is my favorite hobby.
Oka, latte, kek yapalım mı? Limonlu kek yapalım mı? Ne koyacağız içine? Latte, Oka, yumurta, şeker, limon suyu. Limon suyu koyalım mı? Limon rendesi, ceviz.
Yürüyüş boyunca burada bu güzel ağaçları gördüm. Hemen paylaşmak istedim. Süper görünüyorlar. Mor çiçekler açmış. Diğer bir güzellik de burada.
Alright, we are here for lunch at Crown Casino. Just for the sake of trying oysters. I got one. I'm really scared. I think I only tried it once in my life and I regretted it. Yeah, there's crab leg. There's a little bit of meat. So I asked Dilara to Google this because I'm unsure if it needs to be chewed or swallowed. I think I remember something like you don't chew and you just swallow. Then I go, what's the point? Well, it normally needs to jiggle and come off, but I don't think it will. So I feel like, yeah, it's stuck. I need to just move it. Can you tell me if I'm gonna chew it, Dilara? It's probably ice. Okay. Oh, I need to squeeze lemons. Yeah, this is probably the last time ever I'm gonna have it, so it's worth filming it. I'll get this next to me in case of emergency. Now lemon disguised whatever it was in there, so it was okay.
I mean, you did drown it in lemon. I don't think you could get anything else in there, but
I think that's the whole idea. So you just drown it and you don't taste how disgusting it is. Okay, next one is the crab. This is again another type of food. I don't understand what's with it. Why is it like, oh wow, crabs and oysters? Seriously, it tastes like soggy chicken. So sweet, and there's nothing much about it. Yeah, I don't get it. No, thank you. Yeah, I think they're overrated. It could be because they're expensive and it's just overrated. I don't understand what's with crab, what's with oyster. Now I got my desserts. Vanilla slice, little chocolate muffin gibi bir şey. Bu blueberry tart, pavlova. I'm not sure about this one. Do you know what it is? And there's like another cake slice. There's Rocky Road ice cream.